bone ge le ka le news a monna ntsha ke bo monna santwana ke bo wena ke eng wena wa china o flash tsang ga hey guys it's your boy from Scalpa one and only today like wanna be busy with someone Pop. I just want you guys to meet Pop. Who is Pop, guys? How are you, my friend?
Bro, this thing you're gonna put it on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Yo, what up? Yo, what up?
Already, guys, you can see Pop, King Boys Worldwide.
Yeah,
as you
bro.
can see,
Yeah, bro.
Aish.
Yeah, bro. I got some longest motherfucking hair, bro. Shit, I got that shit.
Yeah. So, like, bro, like ever since like you have made a cut, like. Like and stuff, like, cause of like boy, like you are hot,
bro,
boy.
what you talking?
Boy, like.
I didn't need to do that shit.
Boy.
They did come that shit. They came to me. I didn't need to do
guys,
shit.
this guy.
Like I didn't need to do shit. Bro, they were talking to me like, bro, what's up? You looking fine as hell, bro.
You tripping, boy. You tripping, boy. Guys, this guy is tripping. You tripping, boy.
Yeah,
you tripping, boy.
I ain't trip. I got.
Let me see.
Some lady gave me her number.
Shit.
What is this? This girl. Brother. She just offered the number.
Alright, guys. Now I'm scared.
I was like, damn.
Now I'm scared. What if my girlfriend? What's up again? This guy, like, look at this guy.
I'm cute, bro. I'm just a baby, bro.
Shit.
Oh, is that what he's looking at, the upstairs window? Probably. He's climbing down the tree there. Yeah. So he's looking at from right to the window? Yeah. Or, yeah, that's a good shot right there. Yeah. And then I heard the back door fall. This is called a messenger. And I don't know what kind of message they give you, but things to come yet.
Manzo! Manzo! Aish! 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 Yeah.
Jaga e a kenya ke chomi ke nyakela shit.
Ah, shit. Thank you, guys. Let's thank FX Disciples, guys. FX Disciples to the world, guys. If it wasn't about FX Disciples, Gabeno Gisina the kicks. FX Disciples got me these kicks. New one. I've been surviving this one, guys. I've been surviving this one. I've been surviving this one. Thank you. Thanks to FX Disciples. Yeah, thanks to FX Disciples, guys. Thanks to FX Disciples. The airway. Airway. I'm playing, guys. But thanks, guys. Thanks to FX Disciples. FX Disciples way to the world.
One of the day, make money or you're gonna be poor.